Hey everyone, this is Kyle from Money at 30 here with a quick tip regarding what Amex is doing to their Platinum card in light of the lack of travel. These days, it's pretty safe to assume that you aren't booking many trips or catching many flights. Thus, some of the key perks of the Amex Platinum card, such as lounge access, hotel status, and airline fee credits, are likely going unused. That's particularly a problem since the card carries a $550 annual fee. So, in a bid to halt what would surely be a tidal wave of cancellations in the coming months, American Express recently announced some added benefits for the Platinum card as well as some other travel cards. First, from May through December of 2020, personal Platinum cardholders can earn a $20 per month credit on their wireless phone bill. Similarly, they're also offering a $20 per month credit on streaming service subscriptions during that same time frame. If you can maximize these credits, they'll add up to $320, which partially makes up for some of the credits and privileges that you may be missing out on while staying at home. However, to further incentivize current customers, American Express has said that Platinum cardholders who renew between April and December of 2020 will be able to earn up to $200 in statement credits for eligible purchases from the Amex travel portal. And of course, this would be on top of the annual airline incidental credits, monthly Uber credits, and other perks that come with the card. By the way, if you've considered the Platinum card before, but found the $5,000 in 3 months spending required to earn the sign-up bonus to be a bit steep, now may actually be a good time to apply. That's because, for a limited time, Amex is extending welcome bonus periods by 3 months, giving you up to 6 months to spend the required minimum and unlock your bonus. For more details on these offers, including some of the wireless companies and streaming services that qualify, as well as what Amex is doing for some of their other co-branded cards, including Hilton, Marriott, and Delta, be sure to check out the links I'll place in the description box down below. While you're there, you can also click the link to read my full American Express Platinum card review, looking at what the card has to offer under normal circumstances. Hopefully this quick tip can help you out, but for more personal finance content, including app reviews and beyond, be sure to subscribe and give this video a like for good measure. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you next time here on Money at 30.